Hi friends, my name is Lee and I'm so happy to have you on my channel. 1.1 pounds or 500 grams of ground beef. Today we're making a very delicious dish using simple ingredients but with an unusual shape. 3 to 5 large potatoes. Chop them into small chunks. Potatoes are one of the most satiating foods you can eat. They're loaded with potassium, more than a banana. They're also a good source of vitamin B6 and fibre. Add the potatoes to a pot. Fill with water. Add a pinch of salt and boil for around 20 minutes. Take 1 onion and chop it finely. Onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. It's been linked to reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. Friends, which country, state or city are you watching my videos from? I love to look at the photos, it's so inspiring. Add the onion to the ground beef, mix well and fry everything together. Finally, chop 2 garlic cloves. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when you crush or chop the cloves. Allicin has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. It may also help lower cholesterol and support heart health. Add the garlic to the ground beef, mix well and fry. One red bell pepper, chop it into small squares. Red bell peppers have more vitamin C than an orange. They're also high in beta-carotene, which supports eye health. On top of that, they're low calorie and about 92% water, a great way to add volume and nutrients to any dish. Add the pepper to the ground beef, mix well and fry. One large tomato, chop it finely. Tomato is one of the best sources of lycopene. That's an antioxidant linked to heart health and cell protection. Cooking them actually makes the lycopene easier to absorb. They're also rich in vitamin C and potassium. Add the tomato to the ground beef, mix well and fry. Two tablespoons of tomato paste. All the benefits of tomatoes but in concentrated form. A small amount packs a big nutritional punch. Mix it in well. Check the potatoes are done. Remove from the heat and drain. Mash the potatoes. Add butter. A bunch of dill, chop it finely. Dill is packed with antioxidants and essential oils. It contains vitamin C and manganese. Some studies suggest it can help regulate blood sugar. It may also support digestion and reduce bloating. Add the dill to the mashed potatoes and mix well. To the ground beef, add a little salt. black pepper, smoked paprika, and oregano. Mix well. A bunch of parsley. Chop it finely. Parsley is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone density. It also contains flavonoids that help reduce inflammation. Gram for gram, it's one of the most nutrient-dense herbs around. Add the parsley to the ground beef. Mix well. Form a ball of mash with your hands. It should be a decent size. Place in a baking tray and then form a well in the center. Repeat until the mash is used up. Add the beef mixture, about 3 heaping tablespoons. Grate some mozzarella cheese, or whichever cheese you prefer. Sprinkle the cheese on top. Be generous. That's where the golden crust comes from. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. While that's baking, let's make a salad. Start with a yellow bell pepper. Chop it into squares. Yellow peppers sit right between green and red on the ripeness scale. Sweeter than green, not quite as sweet as red. Add to a large bowl 1 cucumber, slice into half moons, add to the bowl. Lettuce leaves, roughly chop them. What's your favourite salad? Let me know in the comments. Add the lettuce, 1 red onion, slice, add to the bowl, 1 or 2 tomatoes, dice into squares. Add to the bowl 200 grams of feta cheese, cut into cubes. I love feta for its salty taste and creamy texture. Use a different brine cheese if you prefer. Add the feta to the bowl. 100 grams of pitted olives. Add a little salt. Black pepper. A teaspoon of oregano. Some olive oil. A teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well. Remove the tray from the oven. Serve with the salad. You've got to try this one, the smell is incredible. Friends, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, a thumbs up is the best reward for my work. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Enjoy your meal, see you next time, and take care.